The Teslong TTM260P is a compact and portable smartphone thermal imager designed for easy on-the-go use, specifically tailored for Android phones with OTG function. This thermal camera seamlessly attaches to your phone, leveraging the inherent technology of smartphones for enhanced accessibility and user-friendliness, surpassing the capabilities of bulkier alternatives. Through the dedicated Teslong thermal app, the TTM260P transforms your phone into a dynamic viewfinder, allowing you to capture, save, and analyze temperature variations in objects or environments at your convenience. The plastic body construction, complemented by an aluminum alloy faceplate, features a front-facing circular thermal sensor camera with a protruding USB-C connector. The connector includes a built-in rubber ring to prevent scratches during attachment. With dimensions closely aligning with most smartphones, 5 cm length, 2.7 cm width, 1.3 cm thickness, the Teslong TTM260P ensures stability when securely inserted into the phone, accommodating slim cases but cautioning against thick cases hindering proper contact. Weighing only 25 grams, this thermal camera is lightweight and portable. The TTM260P boasts a 256 by 192 pixel camera sensor with a 25 Hz frame rate, offering a real-time view of the thermal environment. This rapid frame rate ensures smooth and continuous playback during thermal video recording or live streaming, proving beneficial in scenarios requiring effective observation and analysis of rapid temperature changes. Noteworthy is the built-in alarm system, notifying you when predefined temperature thresholds are surpassed. Customizable temperature limits allow flexibility, activating the alarm if temperatures exceed set parameters. This functionality is crucial in industrial environments and building inspections, alerting to potential issues. The alarm sound is generated through the phone's speakers. The Teslong thermal app empowers users to draw lines, pinpoint specific locations, and outline rectangular areas on thermal images in real time. This feature allows for dynamic highlighting of points of interest or measuring temperature fluctuations along designated paths. The TTM260P exhibits the capability to measure temperatures ranging from -59 degrees Fahrenheit to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, -15 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius, with an impressive accuracy level of ±2 degrees Celsius, ±2%. A standout feature is the integration with cutting-edge smartphone technology, establishing a direct connection for data transfer and real-time thermal imaging on the phone's screen. This integration extends to power supply, with the TTM260P drawing power directly from the smartphone, eliminating the need for separate thermal camera batteries. The Teslong thermal camera is available in two variants: 160 by 120 pixels and 256 by 192 pixels. Opting for the higher resolution, 256 by 192 pixels, provides a greater pixel count, translating to more detailed and clearer thermal images, ideal for applications requiring precise temperature measurements. Included accessories are a cleaning cloth and a durable zip-up hardshell case, enhancing convenience for storage and transportation. The in-branded hardshell case features a mesh pocket and a thick closed-cell foam insert, ensuring secure placement of the thermal camera during transit. While the hardshell outer shell is covered with water-resistant material, it's essential to note that the zipper itself is not water-resistant.